Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So we finished the majority of the rulings of mubtada and khabar. Now here he's saying qismun akharu lil mubtada'i. Qismun akharu lil mubtada'i. There is another type of mubtada. Another type of mubtada. This is also known as, in other books, it's known as al-Muqtada. It's got a qismun akhar. It's got al-Muqtada, al-Muqtafi. Al-Muqtada, al-Muqtafi bimarfu'ihi. What does this mean? And this name is better, well, it explains the whole concept better. Iktafa yaktafi, to suffice. Kafa billahi shahida. Allah is sufficient as a witness. Kafa billahi wakila. So al-mubtada al-muktafi bimarfu'ihi is that mubtada which suffices on its marfu and does not have a khabar. Let me explain this. Wa'alam anna lahum, whom refers to the nuhat. There's no need to say that. Wa'alam anna lahum qisman akhar min al-mubtada'i. Know that in the eyes of the nuhat, there's another type of mubtada. Laysa musnadan ilay. It's not musnad ilay. It's actually musnad. Musnad is what? Musnad ilay is the subject, and musnad is the information. But in here, the roles turn around. How does it occur? وَهُوَ صِفَةٌ وَقَعَتْ in two places. It's a sifa. That's a sifa here doesn't mean what? It doesn't mean mawsuf sifa. What does it mean? It's shibhul fa'il. More particularly, not any shibhul fa'il, but more particularly, the ismul fa'il or the ismul maf'ul. Okay? So, if you have an ismul fa'il or an ismul maf'ul, okay, after a harfun nafi, this becomes the mubtada, correct? This becomes the fa'ilul mubtada or fa'ilul ismul fa'il. Because qa'imun is ismul fa'il, isn't it? Qa'imun, qama yaqumu, qiyaman, qima yaqamu, qiyaman, qum la taqum, qa'imun maqumun. So qa'imun is ismul fa'il. So if you have an ismul fa'il, which is known as what? This is what he's referring to as a sifa. If you have an ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul, then what happens then? Qa'imun, and this is followed by a nafi, ba'da nafi. Then we say here, this is a mubtada, which is not musnad ilayh, rather than musnad. And this becomes, and the marfu after it, the file of that ismul fa'il becomes the musnad ilay, and there's no khabar. Khabar? There's no khabar. So basically, it's a mubtada. Qa'imun is a mubtada, which suffices on its marfu. What's the marfu of qa'imun? Zayd. Zayd is the fa'il of qa'imun. So this suffices, qa'imun suffices on its fa'il, and it does not have another khabar. Okay? Yes? For all of those, yes? Make sense? Or easy tarkib is? Yes? Okay? Correct? Oh, بعد حرف الاستفهام. Same scenario. You have qa'imun is what? What's qa'imun? An ismul fa'il, which is called as a sifa. And a sifa here doesn't mean ismul mawsu sifa, man'ut not. It means a sifa meaning ismul fa'il. You have an ismul fa'il. After the ismul fa'il, what is there? A marfu'. This marfu' becomes the fa'il of that ismul fa'il, which is the mubtada, and there is no khabar. This is a mubtada, which is muktafi, which suffices on its marfu', i.e., and therefore there is no khabar. It suffices on the marfu', there is no need for a khabar. So this mubtada has no khabar. Correct? For example, it comes in the Quran, أَرَاغِبٌ أَنْتَ أَنْ آلِهَتِي يَا إِبْرَاهِيمُ. So what do we have here? We have a sifa, meaning what? Ismul fa'il. It comes after an istifham. So anta can become what? The fa'il of the raghib. And raghib has no khabar. So this sifa becomes the mubtada. This becomes the fa'il of the mubtada. And alihat is the muta'alliq of the raghibun. And there's no khabar. Fahimtum? And an easy way of saying it is راغب خبر مقدم أنت مبتدأ مؤخر.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's easy. That's the easy way of doing it. But in al-Huzaq. Okay? 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 Yes? Yes? So in these examples, you can do both. You can say ma is mubtada, ma is this here. You can say ma is nafi, qa'imun is khabar muqaddam, zaydun mubtada muakhar. You can do that as well if you want to. It's easier. But anyway, so he's saying here that this qismun akhar min al-mubtada'i has a few conditions. بِشَرْطِ أَن تَرْفَأَ تِلْكَ الصِّفَةَ. No, sorry. That's right. On the condition that sifa means that ismul fa'il or that ismul maf'ul gives an ismun zahir rafa. For example, ma qa'imun az-zaydan. This is marfu'. This is giving a rafa to the zaydan. Qa'imun. Zaydun. Ma qa'imun az-zaydan. Well, probably a qa'im. Something's missing. Probably a qa'imun az-zaydan or something like that. Something's missing from here. Okay. بِخِلَافِ مَا قَائِمَانِ الزَّيْدَانِ. Contrary to ma qa'imani zaydan. In ma qa'imani zaydan, right? Zaydan is what? Not the. Remember what you say? That if this is jama', then this has the alif is a zamir. This is not making this marfu'. Because this is making the alif marfu'. So in qa'imani zaydan, this has to be what? Khabar. And this is the mubtada. Because in here, the qa'iman doesn't make zaydani marfu. So because remember the rule of fa'il is what? When the fa'il and ism fa'il as well. When it's mufrad, it always remains mufrad. For example, I don't say dhahabu ar-rijal. You can't say dhahabu ar-rijal. Yes? You have the akuluni baraghith, but in there we say what? This is the fa'il, and this is going to be either the badal or the maqsus or whatever. So this is the fa'il. So if we have qa'imun singular, this is the amil on the other one. If you have qa'imani, this can't become amil because this is dual. Then in this scenario, it has to be khabar muqaddam. Are you following? So in this scenario, this has to be khabar muqaddam. Correct? In this scenario, it has to be what? The marfu'. It has to be mubtada. Because why? Is qa'imun az-zaydani matching in thing, number and gender. So if you make it khabar muqaddam, will it match in number and gender? No. So this has to be mubtada muktafi marfu'ihi. This is a mubtada without a khabar. In this scenario here. Yes? And in here, okay, it's getting a bit messy. Let's go back again. Okay. So we're saying here there are three scenarios. We have ma qa'imun az-zaydan. Then we have ma qa'imun zaydun. First one, ma qa'imun zaydun. Second one is ma qa'imun az-zaydan. And the third one is what? Ma qa'imani zaydan. You see three scenarios here? In this one, we can have, this can be two ways. You can say this is khabar muqaddam. And this can also be what? The mubtada. Khabar muqaddam. Mubtada'un mu'akhar. And it can also be mubtada and the fa'il. Yes? In here, can you make this mubtada, can you make qa'imun mubtada khabar muqaddam? No, because zaydan is dual and this is what? Does it match? So this has to be what? Mubtada, and it has to be the fa'il. Do you understand? And the qa'imani zaidan, this has to be what? Khabar, because it's jewel, so you can't do amal to that one. So this has to be khabar muqaddam, and this has to be what? Mubtada muakhar. So here's only one option, here's two options. Have you understood? Yes, you understood the structure? Yes? That is the end of the discussion of Mubtada and Khabar. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.